What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka 2Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And today, it's gonna be a pretty simple day. I'm gonna head to Speedzone, gonna pick up a couple of banners for the homies and myself for when we go to the meet on Saturday. It's gonna be in Tampa. I'll have a link to the event page in the description below, so definitely check that out if you're interested in coming out. That's gonna be July 18th. Also, the homies at Orlando Imports is going to have an event on the 19th. I believe it's at Ace Cafe, but I'll throw a link to that one down below as well. So definitely check that out if you're interested. I'm going to try to go out and show support as well. But yeah, I probably won't. I don't know how much recording I'm going to really do when I get there, because it's raining on this side. I don't know if it's going to be raining over there and if we got any cars outside. But we'll definitely go ahead and take a look here. I'll take a look at the car real quick. Yeah, I'm not gonna go do a quick walk around and all that, because I'm not trying to get the camera too wet. So let me go ahead and get ready and we'll head over to Speedzone. Alright, looks like it's just a little drizzling here. Not too many people here either. But we do have with Nocturnal, I believe that's what it is. Those wheels are nice on this Beetle. I usually only see this car at like car shows. I don't really see him just driving it, so that's dope. And gotta love the skyline. Got me parked over there. I think that's the first time I heard it on too. Alright, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and head on in and get these stickers. Actually, before I take off, I want to show. I know some of y'all have been asking me what it looks like in here. I guess I don't really record too much in here. I got the banners here. Also, want to look at the wheels that I'm considering, or at least thinking about. Those three in the middle. Rohanas, the black, the silver, and that gray one. Those are the main ones that I'm considering. Maybe that bronze, but different color. But yeah, definitely let me know what you guys think. What you think I should go with. Of course, those rays look good too. I don't know about for the Ultima, but they do look good. Love that color. Those are dope too. Yeah, but I'm gonna go ahead and head on out of here. Can you see that? Oh, of course. That looks kind of dope from here. That's one thing I love about Florida. Everywhere you go, you see modified cars. He works in there. Need to get him to roll out with us sometime. Last time I put these in the trunk, they got messed up, so I'll secure them in the back. Alright, so yeah, the event, as of the posting of this video, is going to be tomorrow. So I hope to see some of y'all out there. I mean, we listed it as an Ultimate event, but we're accepting anybody with Nissan, Infiniti. Even if you don't have one of them, you want to just come out and chill, feel free to. We're not turning anybody away, and it's cool just having people out. But yeah, we're trying to. We might slow down a little bit after this weekend's event, just due to all the crazy numbers here in Florida. So it might be a little while before we do any more events, but definitely stay tuned to the channel, as well as stay tuned to my Facebook and Instagram mostly, because I'll go ahead and post anything if we have anything else coming up. Might have some homies who are hosting something, might go ahead and do that. Also, if you guys are interested in having people meet up in your area and you're not in like Florida or anything, and you're like setting up for a Nissan or Infiniti or something like that, let me know. I can put the word out because I got friends and followers everywhere. I can kind of let them know where you're at. I know some of the homies just had an event last Saturday in New York and Brooklyn, and it looked like that turned out pretty well. So I definitely don't mind sharing events and things like that so we can get some people out there, because I have a lot of people hit me up saying, oh, I wish you was in my area. It's like, well, yeah, I might not be there, but I'm sure there's gonna be some other people willing to meet up in your area. So let me know. I'll go ahead and post it up. I mean, I'm not going to be the one facilitating anything, but I'll definitely get it posted up so people are aware of it, and we'll go from there. But yeah, this video really is not too much else to it. I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Oh, I did a couple people asked me a few more mods that I had planned coming up, so I do want to talk about those. I'm still looking for side skirts. I'm waiting for either them to send the correct ones or my refund. I believe they said they're gonna try one more time before, and if they don't get it right, then just gonna straight get a refund. So still got the side skirts that we're working on. Big brake kit, I do plan to do that here hopefully pretty soon, fairly soon. What else? I do want to get a head unit because I got the stock radio. I'm just trying to figure out which ones I want because I've seen some with great functionality, but the problem is the size is too small. Yeah, hopefully she didn't say that, but yeah, that's one thing we've been dealing with. I like those Android ones. They have the perfect size, but the problem is the software is a little older and it's not as smooth. So if you have any suggestions for a head unit, let me know. Definitely looking for that. I might do the upgrade the seats. I don't know yet. That might be a while if I do that, because I've been looking at a diamond stitch pattern. I could definitely do this carpets. I don't really need it, but I might do that as well. But coming soon, I should be able to get all the LEDs on the inside, because as you can see, the light is garbage. So I'm gonna replace that with the LED, the license plate one, all of them on the inside. That's gonna be LED. I do want to get some new wheels, but I'll probably wait until I sell the ones that I currently have. If you're interested in them, I'm not trying to ship them, but if you're interested, looking for around $1,200, but willing to negotiate, so definitely make me an offer if you're interested. But I'm not shipping, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, that's pretty much it from what I can think of. A couple little things here and there. I was thinking about getting that steering wheel too, the carbon fiber one, because that looks pretty dope, and homie Akeem has it, and I definitely like it. But I'm not sure if it works with the paddle shifters, because one of my other homies just tried to get one for the newer Altima, and Jeff, he actually had issues with the paddle shifter side. So don't know if we're going to go ahead and get that or not. I gotta see if the one for our gen, for my gen, works. So we'll see. But yeah, yeah, if there's anything else, I could do a Q&A if you guys are interested. If you are, either leave the questions below or let me know if you're interested in that, and we'll go from there. But yeah, that's pretty much gonna do it for this video. Sorry for rambling on again, but I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, have a good one. Peace.